In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to create offline MyNBA league in NBA 2K26. Alright, so let's talk about how to set up an offline MyNBA league in NBA 2K26. First of all, head over to the MyNBA tab. Now inside here, you have got a few choices like MyGM or MyNBA. We are going to go with MyNBA. Next, create a new save slot. Then you will be asked to choose which era you wanna play in. I'm going with the modern era here, but you can pick whichever one you like. After that, you'll see the setup options. This is the important part. Press triangle if you're on PlayStation or Y if you're on Xbox to customize everything. Now if you want an offline league, just make sure the online option is turned off. So you just need to look at this green dot, make sure that it is not there. Once you're done that, hit advance. That's it, you have just created an offline league. Keep in mind, once you set it up as offline, you can't switch it later to online. So make sure you pick the right one from the start. From here, you can do a fantasy draft, simulate through the season or customize everything the way you want. And the best part, you don't even need an internet connection. You can still run your own MyNBA league completely offline. So yeah, that's how simple it is. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.